This is the story of 25 years old Asian American from USA, flew all the way from USA to Malaysia, took the flight for 18 hours to come to Malaysia to Glomac to do his smart beard hair transplant with the smart FE technique. His goal here is to get the beard like an Asian man. Donor area, we carefully select the grafts that is thick and high caliber to give him more natural look. This is the surgical planning of the beard design, looking into the density, angle and direction. Above here is the soft look approach. Patient is very happy with his mustache. We are not going to do any surgical procedure here, but here the goatee and the beard, we will connect this to complete the beard. Main objective today is to give him a natural look with the Asian type of beard.
Yeah, so I came all the way from the United States to Malaysia to get a beard. And at first I was looking at Turkey, and I noticed a lot of the results didn't look very natural, and I wanted to go somewhere where they work mostly on Asian people. So I was looking on YouTube for places in Asia that do beard transplants. Since I'm Asian, I thought it would make more sense to go to a place that works on more Southeast Asian people, and I came across videos from Glomac, and I was very impressed because I just saw more natural looking results, and especially on Asian people. And since I'm Asian American, I just thought going to Malaysia would be better than doing it in the United States or Turkey. So I was looking at some beard transplant reviews on YouTube, and I saw a guy mention that you should only go to a place that is on a website that's FISHRS, and you can type in any country to see where the best clinics are. And so I typed in Malaysia, and then the only clinic I saw was Glomac, and I was already thinking about going there too. So it's like it pretty much just checks every box. Good videos, natural results. He's on the websites, informative videos. Hopefully get a good beard, so I'm excited to see the results.
We have done the smart FE procedure and we have completed planting into the beard. Let's have a look now. This was the design area. We already fill up. Only the single hair harvested from behind is put inside here, and above here is a soft look. And just above the upper margin, randomly we place some hairs. This will give him more natural look. Now here, this area we fill up, and a few double is put inside here to create more density around here.